You know what? We just got word that something brand new is going down in Atlanta. We playing that song, new Dirty Bird song. Y'all gotta feel this a little bit. This is real. So guess what? Here we go.
It's about that time now.
Rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up.
Hey, let me see. Blow it in, blow it out. 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 Do the dirty bird. Do the dirty bird. Do the dirty bird. Do the dirty bird. Let me see you blow it in, blow it out. 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 Do the dirty bird. Do the dirty bird. Do the dirty bird. Do the dirty bird. First and goal, take the ball through the hole. We started undefeated, now we headed to the Super Bowl. All around the globe, they screaming rise up. It's tied up, time to get fired up. I put that on my mama, them boys got game. Even when they down, I rep them all the same. We ball or not at all, we stand tall and never fall. We go hard, we never soft, take the ball and run on y'all. Blow it in, blow it out, blow it in, blow it out. Blow it in, blow it out, blow it in, blow it out. Do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird. Blow it in, blow it out, blow it in, blow it out, blow it in, blow it out, blow it in, blow it out. Do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird. Second and 10, you know we going in. Everybody flapping, we going for the win. Prime time with two-step, big plays from Big Ray. In 98 we made it to the bowl, this year we going all the way. If you rep the letter A, then put your hands up. And if you feeling this, gonna stand up. Y'all ain't ready, me and Freddie rockin' steady. Riding high, sitting low, third and long, Julio. Blow it in, blow it out, blow it in, blow it out. Blow it in, blow it out, blow it in, blow it out. Do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird. Blow it in, blow it out, blow it in, blow it out, blow it in, blow it out, blow it in, blow it out. Do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird. Packed in here, man. Do the dirty bird. Georgia Dome packed with fans in the stands. 11 Falcons on the field and we the 12th man. I love the Falcons, they the hometown heroes. They fly higher than the Cardinals, Ravens, Seahawks, and the Eagles. Birds of a feather, we all fly together. Have faith in the feather, we fly in any weather. Bird gang, it's time to get fired up. When they think they got us down, rise up. Blow it in, blow it out, blow it in, blow it out, blow it in, blow it out, blow it in, blow it out. Do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird. Blow it in, blow it out. Blow it in, blow it out, blow it in, blow it out, blow it in, blow it out. Do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird. Let me see you, yeah, and all my fellas, let me see you, A-Town, what's happening? Yeah, this is our year, this is our year, baby. I'm feeling like a ring this time. Might as well go ahead and book my flight, get my hotel. We Super Bowl bound, baby. You know what it is, and if you don't, let me see you. Blow it in, blow it out, blow it in, blow it out, blow it in, blow it out, blow it in, blow it out. Do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird. Blow it in, blow it out, blow it in, blow it out, blow it in, blow it out, blow it in, blow it out. Do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird. I feel so good when I ride around the city. It's like everybody is rising up, you know what I'm saying? Big up to Arthur Blaine, shout out to the beautiful ladies. Maddie Ice was happening, Julio, High Ride. Vic, we still love you. Dan Reeves, what it do? Big ups to the Rankin family. From Fulton County to the Dome to the new Bird's Nest. Bird's Nest. Blow it in, blow it out, blow it in, blow it out, blow it in, blow it out, blow it in, blow it out. Do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird. Blow it in, blow it out, blow it in, blow it out, blow it in, blow it out, blow it in, blow it out. Do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird, do the dirty bird. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. It's official, man. Taking so many records. Y'all know we'll lose it, huh? No, sir. Remember
too legit to quit. Jerry Glanville with the cowboy boots and the top hat. Yeah, I'm feeling like that. We came back in all black. Dirty Birds. Cheeaaah! Cheeaaah!